So tell me how you will not have that ageless glow to your skin consuming a nutrient dense green juice like this. Like this juice is loaded with all the vitamins and minerals you need for that healthy glow from within. It will equally help to cleanse your skin, cleanse your liver. That way your liver cleanses your blood, supports your system, detox toxins out of your system. Like this is wealth in a cup. Consuming juices like these, disease-fighting properties which are alkaline in nature, will help leave you always healthy. You will always look so healthy, radiant, effortlessly. Like this is so healthy. Consuming this will change your skin. It will radiate your skin from within. This is what you should be replacing all those sugary calorie drinks you buy from your grocery stores. Make your own healthy juices like this to help your system fight diseases, to support your system detox itself, and to give you that glow from within, to give you that glow and brighter looking skin from within. So I cannot reiterate enough. I'll take you now and show you how to come up with this healthy juice yourself at home. Don't forget to share with your family and friends so we can all stay looking good, fresher, radiant, agelessly. So the first ingredient for this very healthy, nutrient-dense green juice will be cucumbers. So we'll be using 2 cucumbers for this juice. Cucumbers are like 96% water-based with medicinal properties to help support your system, detox toxins out of your system. It is 96% water-based, which will help hydrate your skin, give you that fresher glow from within. Cucumbers equally help fight aging on the skin, leaving nutrients into your system as well to give you that healthy glow from within. So those are the 2 sliced cucumbers. The next ingredient we'll be adding in here are apples. So we'll be adding 4 apples. Apples are equally alkaline in nature to help your system detox toxins, form a disease-fighting barrier in your system, and load your system with nutrients to give you that healthy glow from within as well. So this has 4 apples I sliced. Apples are loaded with vitamin C to help fight free radical damage, because vitamin C is a form of antioxidant to fight free radical damage, so you can have that healthy glow to your skin. The next ingredient we want to add is any green leafy vegetable of your choice. Today we'll be using parsley. So this is my refrigerated parsley. Parsleys are equally very good as they help to detox the system as well. They are loaded with so many vitamins and minerals to nourish your system, to help cleanse and purify your liver so your system can function properly, because when your liver is clean, when your liver is in good shape, your metabolism is fast, it cleanses your liver, it like flushes toxins out of your system. That is the job of this green leafy vegetable parsley, to cleanse and purify your liver. So you need a handful. So after washing, you will see it will be just a handful of any green leafy vegetable of your choice. You can use celery, parsley, any green leafy vegetable of your choice, but for today it will be parsley. So I always take my time to really wash my leaves, because I don't want any chemicals or whatever in my system. So after washing, you will end up with something like this, very clean, and it is exactly a handful of green leafy vegetable. Green leafy vegetables are the most nutrient dense foods in the world. So if you want just a green juice, you can use those 3 ingredients, but I want that glow to my skin. I need vitamin C a lot. Even though apples are rich in vitamin C, the green leafy vegetables, but I really want something to like add that glow to my skin. And pineapples, they help to give you that glow from within, as they are highly rich in vitamin C. Pineapples equally contain an enzyme called bromelain, which helps to facilitate and metabolize dead toxins and food from your system so you don't end up with belly fat and weight gain. So I usually do not throw my pineapple peel. I use them later for my weight loss drinks or for my traditional pineapple juice. So I store that in my refrigerator. You want to slice up your pineapple in sizes that you can juice. And voila, these are the ingredients in here for the green juice of today. Like, all these ingredients contain all the vitamins and minerals. This is like multivitamin in that bowl. And now to juicing. If you are using your juicer, this is exactly what you're supposed to be doing. But if you're using your blender, you can just put everything in your blender, blend, use a cloth to sieve. But if you're using a blender, you can just consume it like a smoothie. No need squeezing anything out. If you're using your blender, just consume like a smoothie. If you want in the form of juice, you can use your juicer, because the fiber here is not really harsh or hard, so you can as well have this as a smoothie, but I want it as juice today. So as you can see, it is really very rich, thick, nutrient dense in consistency. Like, this is wealth in the glass. This is loaded with all, when I say all, the vitamins and minerals, because these are a variety of different fruits and vegetables with all the vitamins and minerals you need. This is like multivitamin you are putting into your system. If you consume juices like this, no need consume multivitamin tablets or whatever. You are nourished for the day. And yeah, so this is it. Let's try to be healthy. Get yourself a juicer, get yourself a blender, and let's juice and smooth together. Share this video with your family and friends so we can all be healthy. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.